Integrated Korean, Beginning 1, Lesson 2, Grammar 2.2, The Polite Ending, 어요, 아요, Part 1. The structure of predicates consists of a stem and an ending. For dictionary entries, the meaningless ending 다 is attached to verb adjective copula stems. The polite ending 어요, 아요 is the most frequently used form in conversation. It has a number of variations. When the last vowel of the stem is either a or o, 아요 is used. All other stems take 어요. There are exceptions to the above rules. The copula 이에요, 예요 is a special kind of adjective which expresses an equational relation like to be in English. Predicate expressions in Korean can largely be classified into two groups, verbs and adjectives. Verbs typically denote actions and processes, including mental processes. Adjectives typically denote states such as size, weight, quality, quantity, shape, appearance, perception, and emotion. The distinction is very important in Korean grammar, and this will become clearer in later lessons. Compare some of the verbs and adjectives that appear in this lesson. Verbs 먹어요, eat, 알아요, know, 앉아요, sit. Adjectives 많아요, be many, much, 좋아요, be good, 괜찮아요, be alright. Let's translate the following sentences into Korean. I know. 알아요. eat. 먹어요. sit. 앉아요. It's fun. 재미있어요. It's tasty. 맛있어요. It's good. 좋아요. It's spacious. 넓어요.